we come from Taiwan, and this is the best you choose. This name is the G Queens, and second we have this. This is MPG Queens, and one if you have one and this together is between the the big is MPG G Queens. Yeah, you can show this one is there, and this one is there. So if you have this, you can use the play 3 types for your fire. Slong gun this year, you can see we have this one have the 2 is 4 and 4 to use. You can change this, yeah, and you can different color, different this long, short, or other different.